Hello guys, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. So today our topic is unlock the YouTube algorithms and SEO tips and tricks is here. So how the YouTube algorithm works in 2024, we have tips for more views. The YouTube algorithm has one goal: suggest videos that keep in our viewers glued to their screen. For marketers and creators, the goal is getting the algorithm to pick our flicks so we get more clicks. So let's dive in our video where we all want to be. Once you figure out the YouTube algorithm video selection process, you have on the way to growing a base of loyal subscribers and turning more of the platform 2.5 billion users into paying customers. So how does the YouTube algorithm work, and more importantly, how can you convince it that your video are worth sharing? The answer has evolved over the years. What works in 2021 won't cut it today. In this video we'll explain what YouTube algorithm is, how it recommended videos, and how to make its discover engine work in your favor, his content. And what is the YouTube algorithm? The YouTube algorithm is a recommendation system that decided which video to suggest to a particular viewers. The algorithm jobs to rank based and on the likelihood that a viewer will watch it using single relevance, quality, and users behavior. Is the gatekeepers to video views. Want more video views? The recommendations algorithm holds the key. A recent experiment showed the algorithm directly drives 70% of the views on YouTube. In fact, YouTube's videos computer call seems to the override even users controls, meaning if you hit the dislike or not interested button on the video, the algorithm may still suggest similar content. That's why it's so important to understand how it's work. So the algorithm constantly evolving. The YouTube algorithm is an ever moving target, just even you have got it figured out. There's an update that completely recorded recommendations and search results. It might seem like a just, but there's method on the medium magnet madness. It gets a bit clearer when you see the three eras of the algorithm evolution. 2005 to 2011, cheap clicks to the trick. The algorithm recommends that whichever videos get the most click, and a creator game the system which clickbait title and misleading thumbnails. And 2012, it's all about timing and the surface videos people actually watch instead of the all click and run. YouTube told the algorithm to prioritize watching and percent of video compilations. That shift encouraged some of create long form video content and other to put out short snippets, but it did not solve the quality problem. 2015, get personal. In 2015, YouTube published a very sciencey looking paper that describes a new way of suggest content. Instead using overall popularity, the algorithm takes the personal performance based on direct feedback and the previous behavior into account with its recommends video. 2016, predicting the platform. Content moderation takes center stage as YouTube move to moderate harmful and the misinformation. Creators now have to be aware of community guidance or risk being relegated to the no-show list. The history of YouTube algorithm is a forward march towards hosting quality content that keeps people on the platform. Let's look at how YouTube's algorithm goes to that today. So how does the YouTube algorithm work in 2024? So if you only take one thing away from the article, so it should be that YouTube wants you the focus on your audience or the algorithm. Our algorithm doesn't pay attention to videos, it's pay attention to viewers. So rather than trying to make video that makes an algorithm happy, focus on the making videos that makes your viewers happy. Same YouTube's own explanation of how to reach your audience. It's an important destination of your video. Our titles history lessons. The algorithm is not simply recommending based on popularity, it's more about the likelihood that an individual users will watch the next video at the next. So that's why two viewers can end up with different results when conducting the same search. Just click it and click it. Look at this. So there are three factors that affect how the algorithm matches. Where's the view videos that they can resist watching and content, and the recommendation, locations, and external factors. To these there figures out, and you would like how to pay the algorithm, turn the instruments, and so content characters and many more. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Like my video and subscribe my IR Tech channel, and goodbye.